So my maintenance light is coming on when I'm starting up the car every time. So I reset my odometer trip light over here to trip A. You turn the car off. I'm going to pull the key out. And then as you start the car up, you hold your finger on the button. And you should see a countdown happening. And once it goes back to trip A0, you can let your finger off. And now the maintenance light should not come back on when you start. So let's try that once more. So maintenance record is not blinking now. And it is no longer on when you start the car. So to repeat that, you have to set your odometer trip meter to trip A by pressing this thing. Then leave your car turned off. Hold it in while you're starting. Hold this in while you're starting. And then you'll see here, it will do a little dash dash and have a little bit of a countdown. It'll go to 0 and then it will go to all zeros and you'll know when it's finished. You let go of this button and boom, your maintenance light is now off. Thanks to everyone on YouTube who showed me how to do this. There are millions of these kinds of videos out there for Toyota Tacomas. This is a 2015 Toyota Tacoma, and it's a little bit different than previous models from my understanding.